Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. So today I'm looking at a water filter used for RVs, boats. It says RV, garden, pet, ship, etc. Fits any standard uses. Do not use with water that is microbiologically unsafe or of unknown quality without adequate disinfection before or after system. Regulator must be used to limit water pressure to 60 psi or less. Now this is your typical cylinder that you see a lot of RVers use. Camco makes them, a few other brands. This one is made by Membrane Solutions. I think they're in Washington State near Seattle. I did review their reverse osmosis machine that would filter water and then do reverse osmosis, and it worked quite well for that, getting rid of highly mineralized water. Tested it at a friend's house in Mojave, and it really knocked down the total dissolved solids. But it was a big machine and I didn't really have counter space anywhere for it, so I passed it along to a friend. But they've been after me to review something else. I don't normally use these myself. I have multi-stage filtration systems, and these are usually pretty basic, but I thought I'll get them to send me out a free sample, and then we'll cut it apart, and then we can see what's inside, see how this thing's built, and you can judge for yourself. They're fairly inexpensive, and like I say, it's what most people use. A lot of people think, oh, I'm totally filtering my water with these, but usually they don't have very small filtration. Usually it's 30 micron or something, or even 50 micron, when the better systems go down to even like 0.2 micron. Anyway, I took my hacksaw and cut it apart, and we'll see what's inside this puppy. So the first input there, you can see there's kind of a filter in there, just made of kind of a really hard foam wrapped around there, and it comes through that. And in the cylinder here there is another piece of foam, kind of a coarser foam right there, and that sort of keeps all this charcoal in place. See, there's a lot of black charcoal, and then at the other end it looks like same deal. You got some hard foam down there. Here's the other end, another one of those little foamy things. And then we have the output end. Well, that's probably the input end. Let me see. Flow. Oh yeah, so that's the input end. Goes through a little bit of foam through all that charcoal. And then you hook your RV water hose to it, and it goes through a dense foam. So yeah, basically it's going to get rid of some of the sediment, and then the charcoal will probably make the water taste better and get rid of some of the chlorine taste, but it's not going to make it safe from biological stuff, viruses and waterborne bacteria and stuff. A lot of that will just pass right through this, so you want to hook this up to a known good water system. Don't expect this to make foul water drinkable. Till next time, Ray from Love Your RV and Boat. Cheers, guys.